UFO flew at high speed at the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco. After watching drone footage of his trip to San Francisco in September this year, the drone owner discovered a UFO flying at high speed near the Golden Gate Bridge. An object that does not have a visible source of movement, wings or tail, moves in a physically impossible manner at incredible speed. The Golden Gate Bridge is a suspension bridge across the Golden Gate Strait. It connects the city of San Francisco in the north of the San Francisco Peninsula and southern Marin County, near the suburb of Sausalito.